In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall Microsoft Excel app from your smartphone. If you no longer need this app but you're unable to remove it, then follow this guide to uninstall it. Alright, to get started, go to your phone and go to your apps to find where Excel app is. As you can see, mine is here. To uninstall it, just long press on it, and now you should see we have this option to uninstall. By tapping this will remove the app from your phone. However, if you don't have this option to uninstall, you should see we have this app info option or a settings gear here. Just tap on it, or even the name of the app, and this will open the app info page. From here you can also see we have this option to uninstall it from here. So for my case, I'll use the first option, so I'll just long press on the app and tap on uninstall and finally confirm, and just like that the app has been removed from my phone. So that's how you can properly uninstall Microsoft Excel app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.